Hello techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code.it, a solution to your problem. If you are new to this channel, then hit on the subscribe icon and join Code.it family. So today in this video, we'll talk about the picture-in-picture mode of Google Chrome. So let's not waste much time and get started with it. Suppose you are watching a tutorial on YouTube. Suppose let's open our Django tutorials. So suppose you are watching a tutorial and simultaneously you want to read the Django documentation. So for that we'll go there. But now we cannot watch our tutorial. So for that you'll click on here and then picture in picture. Now the Django tutorial is running. Here we play that.
Projects.
Now
Our first folder
the
name.
Django is running and simultaneously we can read our documentation.
Our second folder was
So
for you.
you can see that. So
Now
to enable this,
we will have to first go to the
we'll search for Chrome flags. Here search for picture in picture, then enable this. So now you are good to go. So after that it will ask for relaunch your browser. So after relaunching your browser you can ready to go with it. So to close this picture in picture mode you can click here, so it will come back to your YouTube video. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.